From Studio Incar. The M5 is good to go today. Spent the last 4 to 5 weeks on this system. Wicked system. 4-way active front end. Incar 1200s on the rear deck. Modified rear deck with a top grille, which looks, you know, it's obviously there, but it looks real nice. It looks sort of real tidy and OEM. New boot floor, amps under the boot floor. The front end sort of part bespoke, part OEM fit. So the Incar 430s are in the doors. We've custom made a mid bass enclosure in the floor in front of the seat to reflect from the windscreen. To give us loads of sort of mid-range body and upper mid-bass, so snap should be real nice. Tweeters are bespoke, although they look incredible. They don't really look, other than the size of the thesis violin or tweeter, you know, they look real tidy in there. AP8 BMW mid-bass under the seat. Yeah, it's got rears in this as well, so for if he wants to turn it up a bit and he wants a sort of all-around sound. But for the most part, they're sort of turned almost right down. Yeah, this brief for this was not to be sort of too intrusive on the car, but to give a real top-end sound. It's using a DMI to run the OEM system digitally to a Bit1 HD. We've also got a rear mounted Sony RSX GS9 which he can remotely operate. We've also got it so that we can control and get artwork on the car's unit, but have the device streaming to the Sony. So he gets that high res output, but the control from the car. There's certain limitations to that control right now, but it works for what he wants to do, which is listen to music. Switch it back over to the OEM system and everything is as it was, just a huge upgrade in sort of high-end sound. So I'm going to show you around it, see, hopefully you enjoy it. Cheers. You've got the TH Violino tweeter in a custom pod. We managed to keep the outside of the original BMW pod. 430 in the door. Some Incar 650 in the footwell there with a grille. And then the AP8's under the seat. All of this running from the original system. So it's pretty unobtrusive in here. Over the back there, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's a grille on the rear deck, and that allows us the airflow through from the front cones of the subwoofer drivers. Also in here we have a Target Blue Eye controller and a laser track flare, which would open its garage door and other bits that it does. Coming through to the boot, bespoke floor, leather strap so we can lift that up, we can access everything underneath. Up top we've got the Incar 1200s, deadened, reinforced and trimmed the deck, and they play lovely, beautiful bass. And that's pretty much it. It's quite a simple system in terms of the way it's designed, just high-end product. So equipment wise, you know, we're up at the top. Installation wise, it's relatively well, it's not nasty to the car, you know. Yeah, enjoy it. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. If you've got a BMW and you like this sort of project done, you're into music, you're into sound, you don't have to go this high, you can go or further. It's up to you. Alright, cheers.
Over your side. Straight. Straight the back. Only just.
We in, yeah?
Yeah.
Lovely.
About that far away from the winch, so